Love is in the air at it is evident here in Romblon State University Extramural Campus here in Barangay Adpudlo, San Andres, Romblon as hundreds of RSUians participated in this year's Tipanan sa Inang Kalikasan or CHIC Environmental Advocacy with the theme Mobilizing People for Conservation Movement. Romblon State University, in its unwavering commitment in preserving our environment, has once again celebrated the Valentines in meaningful way through participating in simultaneous activities such as bikeathon, coastal cleanup, and tree planting. This year's activity is once again initiated by our very own University President, President Dr. Miriam P. Katahay Mani, spearheaded by Mr. Edgardo F. Fadalian, Director of Special Projects and Advocacy Office, along with Ms. Shelo Amor Ferranculio, Advocacy Officer from the Office of the University President, unit heads, Laureate ambassadors, guests, faculty, barangay officials, and volunteers.
Ano ang nagtulak sa akin para patuloy na mahalin ang inang kalikasan? Simple lang po, iisa lang ang ating buhay, minsan lang po tayong mabubuhay sa mundong ibabaw. At nakita po natin na ang ating inang kalikasan ay siyang nag-iisang tahanan natin at taga-kalinga. Sapat lamang po na kalingain din natin siya. So love begets love. Sabi nga po, alam ko po na tayo po, tao ang naging dahilan kung bakit lumala ang climate change at ganito na ang kalagayan ngayon. Subalit hindi po tayo mawawala ng pag-asa. Tayo po ang naging problema. Tayo rin po ang magiging solusyon. It's not too late for us, people, to be the solution. So patuloy po nating pangalagaan ang inang kalikasan, magmahalan, at ang patunay po ng pagmamahalan sa isa't isa, lalo na sa ating mga anak at sa susunod na henerasyon, ay ang pagmamahal sa inang kalikasan. We don't have other choice but to love and to take care of Mother Earth because this is our only home.
As we witness the enthusiasm of the volunteers here today, let us be reminded that this movement is a call to action and a powerful reminder that together we can make a positive impact on the environment. This is Jessie Escanio reporting for RSU Marble Media.